Getting a loan on Binance is a straightforward process that allows users to borrow cryptocurrencies using their existing assets as collateral. To start, you need to have a Binance account and some assets in your wallet. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Binance Loan section. This can be found under the Finance tab on the Binance homepage. Click on the Binance Loan option to proceed to the loan platform. Next, you will see a list of available loan options, including the cryptocurrencies you can borrow and the interest rates. Choose the loan option that suits your needs and click on it to proceed. You will then be required to select the collateral you want to use to secure the loan. Binance allows you to use various cryptocurrencies as collateral, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. Select the asset you want to use and specify the amount. After selecting the collateral, you will be required to specify the loan amount and term. The loan term can range from several days to several months, depending on your needs. Make sure to review the interest rate and other terms before proceeding. Once you have specified the loan details, Binance will prompt you to agree to the terms and conditions of the loan. Make sure to read and understand the terms before agreeing to them. After agreeing to the terms, the loan will be disbursed to your Binance wallet. You can then use the borrowed funds to trade or invest in other cryptocurrencies. It is essential to note that Binance loans are subject to interest rates and fees, which can vary depending on the loan term and amount. Additionally, if the value of your collateral falls below a certain threshold, Binance may liquidate your assets to recover the loan amount. To avoid liquidation, make sure to monitor the value of your collateral and top up your collateral if necessary. It is also essential to have a clear repayment plan to avoid defaulting on the loan. In conclusion, getting a loan on Binance is a relatively straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of cryptocurrencies and lending. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of the loan, you can use Binance loans to access additional funds and diversify your investment portfolio.